Discipline is where dreams begin. To sharpen vision, lead with truth, and never waste the fire of youth. Through every setback, every climb, we learn to trust both path and time. Now here we stand with purpose clear. The future feels so close from here. Epic, feel the future rise, changing hearts before our eyes, turning weakness into strength, helping dreams go every length. Epic, more than words can say, making the world a better place, a better you, a brighter life, lifting humanity through the night. When one soul dares to dream this far, it wakes the light in who we are. No small ambition, no narrow view, but helping others rise up too. From heart to heart, the signal spreads.